I know Ryan is producing Ryan Caton, by the way. How about we take a nice little tour of the river area here that we have over at Starbase? This courtesy of Jerry down there with the NSF drone. Again, all of the NSF drones that we fly are within properties where we are allowed to fly that are outside of TFRs and following all legal regulations and all regulatory needs. Hey, we see Dan wearing one of the Hawaiian shirts available at shop.nasaspaceflight.com there. You can see some of the cameras that we use to bring you these views, the robots, our robot army fed by all of the lovely photons from the sun. And wait, Danger Van? Danger Van there.
Danger Van lives.
Can you believe it? This is so cool to see. A great idea. The view of everything that, yeah, you could see there where the concrete hit it. It was a concrete way to go, as the shirt said when that came out. Oh, this is so cool. So you're getting a little behind the scenes look here at our camera setups at some of our locations that we use to bring you all the views, where our team is set up there. So Jerry, thank you very much, Jerry Pike, doing that. And in terms of relationship of where we are from this to the actual launch site at Starbase, check this out. There it is. So that's our view there. There is Starbase, and that is a beautiful shot. Oh, I love having the drone there. This is so cool. Thank you.
Spaceflight in the chat. We'll get to as many of them as we can. And again, thank everybody who's watching on YouTube, who's watching on Popular Science. It's amazing to have you here.
And it looks like Dan's just out in a field by himself.
Hey, buddy.
What are you doing, Dan?
There's a barbecue going on, right?
Oh,
yeah,
he's
barbecuing.
Oh,
he's barbecuing. Yeah. What a sweetie.
Get some bacon.
This is from our river location. Doing a nice pan. You can see the launch towers off to the right hand side. It's middle right, and then the build site, as we call it, over there on the left with the 2 mega bays. And there used to be a high bay, and soon there'll be a giga bay in that shot, and we're looking forward to that.